So sometimes when we try to place a limit order, our order gets executed as a market order. We'll see what is the potential reason behind this kind of execution. In addition, we will also see what is the alternate option, why sometimes people execute these kind of orders wantedly. We'll see everything. So first, before going to see about the market depth, let's understand the theory, what actually happens when you place an order. So when you are placing a buy limit order, the limit price entered must be below the current market price. So this is the condition. Here the current market price is 204.5. For example, SBI current market price is 204.5. So when you are placing a buy limit order, it should be below the current market price 204.5 and below that, not exactly 204.5, it should be below that. So that is the first condition. Next, when you are trying to place a sell limit order for shorting, limit price entered must be above the current market price. So if this rule isn't followed, your limit order will get executed as a market order. So once we see it with an example, you will get a clarity. So this is, if you have understood this, then it's not a problem. Still, I will try to explain if you have not clearly understood. So here, let us say the current market price of State Bank of India is 204.5. So what happens actually is, if you are trying to place a order for buy limit order for 204.4, even 10 pice below it, sometimes what would have happened is suddenly the price would have fallen 20 or 30 pice from the current market price. So in that case, what happens is the limit order that you entered would be 204.4 actually. So when we are comparing it with the current market price, which reduced to 30 points, it will appear as a price that is placed above the current market price. So in that case, it actually executes as a market order like this. So the first rule will be violated because of the sudden fall in price, which we haven't, which we wouldn't be able to see it. The system understands that because 30 to 40 pice it suddenly moves. You would have already kept 10 pice below it, but it crossed that and came to 30 pice. So that is the one condition. So because of this, that is the potential reason. Else what happens is, sometimes people will try to place a breakout order. So they will wait, I want to buy at this price. If a breakout happens, I will go and buy, else it will hit the resistance and come back. So when people have that kind of mindset, the order would get executed immediately. So for that, I will show the alternate option, how to buy a breakout. When you are planning to buy after a breakout, I will show what is the option that you need to use. So this is the basic reason for your execution. Basically, when you try to place more than the current market price, even the limiter will get executed as a market order. So this is, for example, here this is the reason breakout. Suppose the current market price is running at 100, you want to buy at little bit above that. You would have simply placed a limit order like 106 or something like that. So in that case, what happens, immediately it understands that it's placed more than the current market price. It gets executed at various prices, not at 106, below that also it gets executed. So the reason we will see is, you need to use buy SL. That is, if you want to buy more than the current market price, but your order should only execute at a certain level, you can use buy SL. So keep the trigger. Currently, if let us say the current market price of State Bank of 218, this is a different example, and if you want to buy at let us say 223, in the trigger you need to enter 223. So this is I have not edited this, just for showing this option SLM I chose. Here you need to enter at whatever the price you wish to buy, let us say 223 or 224, at which only I think the breakout happens. You need to enter that price. So this is how you need to use the buy SL. So we know that market order, it simply buys at the available prices. So this is how it is. I hope you got a clear understanding why our limit order are getting executed as market order. So thank you. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me on this number. If you want the free training courses, you can check the description. You can visit our website and get all the training courses, sign up and get all the training courses.